Hello everyone. Have you ever wished you could sit at a piano and just play beautiful music without memorizing boring sheet music for months? Today, I'll show you how to start playing real songs in 10 minutes, even if you're a total beginner. And at the end, I'll share a great resource that can take you from beginner to advanced faster than traditional lessons. Let's go. Maybe you've tried learning piano before, but it felt too slow or boring. You didn't understand music theory. You don't have time for expensive lessons. Or you just don't know where to start. Trust me, you're not alone. I was exactly the same until I discovered a simple hack, learning piano using chords first, just like professional musicians do. Let me prove it to you right now. Instead of learning sheet music, here are 4 chords that let you play hundreds of songs. C, G, A minor, F. Now watch what happens when we play them slowly. Play simple progression C to G, A, M, F. Sounds familiar, right? That's the same progression used in songs like Let It Be, Beatles. Someone You Loved, Louis Capaldi. No Woman No Cry, Bob Marley. Africa, Toto. And you can already play them with just 4 chords. Amazing, right? Now imagine learning like this step by step, building real skills with simple chord progressions, improvisation, playing by ear, reading music only when necessary. That's exactly how Piano for All teaches piano. I found Piano for All on ClickBank. It's one of the most popular piano courses online, with over 400,000 students and amazing reviews. It teaches you piano with a fun, modern method, starting with chords and real songs, not boring drills. 9 interactive eBooks. 200 step-by-step video lessons. Play pop, gospel, classical, blues, jazz. Works on phone, tablet, or laptop. And you get lifetime updates. Inside, the lessons are visual and simple. You see which keys to press and why, so you actually understand music. Whether you want to play worship songs, accompany your singing, produce music, or just impress your friends, this program gives you real results. If you want to start learning today, I've put the link below. Click here to start Piano for All. It's affordable, easy to follow, and honestly the best step-by-step beginner course I've seen online. And here's a bonus, they offer a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. No pressure. If you don't like it, get your money back. If you enjoyed this lesson, drop a piano emoji in the comments. Also hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more beginner tutorials. See you in the next video. Keep playing.